Hello, this is Sonu, and you are listening to Stock Market News on the Go. Here's what cooking. First things first, the Indian benchmark equity indices ended at record high levels on Tuesday, led by strong buying in the IT and private banks. Broader markets supported the up move with Nifty Small Cap 100 and Nifty Mid Cap 100 gaining over 0.6% each. Among sectors, Nifty Bank and IT indices rose 1.5 to 2.5%, while Nifty Metal witnessed selling. Nifty surges 151 points from lows to close with a gain of 67 points at 14,200. Nifty Bank ends 510 points higher at 31,722 after gaining 787 PTS from lows. Mid-cap index rises 338 points from lows, closes 145 PTS higher at 21,534. IT index gains the most amongst indices led by Wipro, TCS and HCL Tech. HDFC and IndusInd Bank surged 3% each after posting strong list updates for Q3. Axis Bank top Nifty gainer with a move of over 6%. Tata Motors moves 4% from day's low following UK's bid aid amid lockdown. Alkyl Amines, RVNL, Info Edge, and Gisdale amongst top mid-cap gainers. Avenue Supermart rises 3% and is now up by 10 times from the issue price. Well, it's a wrap for me today. This is Sonu for Tradomatics signing off. Have a happy evening.